welcome to the Unreal Magic Workshop. My name is Jonas Jost and I'm a professional magician and illusionist. I'm going to show you a really cool card trick, but before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and that way you won't miss out on all the cool tricks my henchmen and I are preparing just for you guys. So, we are going to show you a card trick. I'm going to need a deck of cards, please. No, that's your lunch. Eat your lunch quickly, please. Sorry. Yes, thank you. Deck of cards. Unbelievable. Okay. So, deck of cards. I'm going to need an assistant to choose one card for me, please. There you go. Take one out. Or 5, that'll do. Yeah, 1. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Now, he's chosen one card. Excellent. This is the trick. Card, shuffle. I'm going to shuffle one more time. Now, doesn't matter what card he chose. If I put the cards back into the box and seal the box up nice and tight, that way none of the cards can get out. It's a very quick and simple move. So watch the deck of cards, here we go. Boom! We pull out one card from the deck of cards and it's the chosen playing card. Stick around for the explanation. My henchmen and I are going to show you the secret right now. Hello everybody, this is the explanation to the instant card from box magic tricks. So, all I need is a deck of cards. Thank you. You can use any deck of cards for this trick, but the secret is just here. I've prepared this box of cards just by cutting out a little bit. Now, when my henchman chose a playing card for me, it didn't matter which card he chose. He could have picked any of these. Let's say he picked the 8 of spades. As long as that goes back on top of the deck of cards, all I need to do is give them a shuffle like this, one card at a time, so that the chosen card goes to the bottom. I do it 2 times. One more time, one card at a time, and when I get to the end, make sure you're doing one card at a time so that the chosen card is back on top. That's where you want the card. Now, the whole pack goes into the box, and when I close the box, this is where it gets a little bit more tricky to get it right. All I want to make sure that when I close the box, one card is outside of the closing lid, which means that card is visible right there and can be pulled out. Now this happens very instantly by just putting my thumb at the back and holding the box like this. All I need to do is throw the box away and hold on to their selected card. Boom! And their card appears as if by magic out of the box instantly. It will blow your friends' minds. Give it a little practice, and as soon as you've mastered this trick, you can show your friends, and then it's time to celebrate.